Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to test a wideband O2 sensor. First, gather your essential tools before starting any work. You will need a reliable digital multimeter, an O2 sensor socket, or a 22mm wrench, and penetrating oil. Make sure to have safety glasses and gloves on hand for protection, as these components can be hot or corroded. Safety is paramount when working under your vehicle's hood. Always let the engine cool down completely. Working on a hot exhaust pipe can cause severe burns. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to eliminate any risk of electrical shock. Additionally, wear your safety glasses and gloves and make sure you are in a well-ventilated space throughout the process. Finding your wideband O2 sensor is the next step. It is typically located in the exhaust system before the catalytic converter. Gently disconnect its electrical connector first, often by pressing a small release tab. If the sensor looks stuck, apply a small amount of penetrating oil to its base and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then, carefully use your O2 sensor socket to remove it. Now, let's test the heater circuit within the O2 sensor. Set your multimeter to the resistance setting, represented by the omega symbol. Connect the red and black leads to the two wires responsible for the heater element. These are usually the same color. A functioning heater circuit should display a reading between 1 and 5 ohms. An out-of-range or infinite reading indicates a bad heater.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.